The Autel MaxiCOM MK900 Scanner offers an impressive array of over 40 specialized services, making it a valuable tool for handling a wide range of automotive repair tasks. With its capability to perform more than 3,000 bidirectional active tests, this scanner is a favorite among mechanics for its efficiency in diagnosing and troubleshooting vehicle issues. The device supports comprehensive system diagnostics for over 150 car brands, ensuring compatibility with a vast majority of vehicles on the market. Equipped with a large 8-inch screen and powered by a robust operating system, the MK900 provides a user-friendly interface and fast processing speed. The scanner's advanced features, including CAN-FD and DOIP support, make it suitable for modern vehicles with sophisticated electronic systems. Autel provides this scanner with continuous software updates and a 1-year warranty, ensuring that users have access to the latest diagnostic capabilities.